Hi everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable the date and timestamp on your photos when taking pictures using your Android phone. This feature is useful if you want to keep track of when a photo was taken, especially for personal records or official purposes. First, open your camera app. Then, click on the settings icon at the top right corner. Now scroll down until you see the watermark option. Tap on it, then enable date and time. Now when you take a photo, the date and time will appear automatically on the picture. That's it for today's video. Now you know how to add date and timestamps to your photos on Android, whether your phone supports it directly or not. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.